If you're in search for a compact wireless mechanical keyboard, then this is the one for you. This is the Portronics Hydra 10, and at the price of 2,900 rupees, let's see what it has to offer. I bought the keyboard off Amazon for around 2,900 rupees, which is approximately $35. The packaging seems decent for the price. The front of the box has a picture of the keyboard itself. The back has some specifications and warranty information. And on the sides, we have some branding. Inside the box, we get a USB-A to Type-C cable, the keyboard wrapped in recycled paper, a user manual, and a 1-year warranty registration card.